Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a complete grammar test. Let's begin. Question 1. My brother usually dash his homework before dinner. The correct option is does. My brother usually does his homework before dinner. Question 2. She dashed to school now. The correct option is walking. She is walking to school now. Question 3. They dash already dash the movie. The correct option is have watched. They have already watched the movie. Question 4. He dashed for this company since 2020. The correct option is has been working. He has been working for this company since 2020. Question 5. The teacher dashed us a new lesson yesterday. The correct option is taught. The teacher taught us a new lesson yesterday. Question 6. I dashed TV when the lights went out. The correct option is was watching. I was watching TV when the lights went out. Question 7. By the time we arrived, they dashed the dinner. The correct option is had finished. By the time we arrived, they had finished the dinner. Question 8. He dashed all morning before he took a break. The correct option is had been studying. He had been studying all morning before he took a break. Question 9. She dashed her exams next week. The correct option is will take. She will take her exams next week. Question 10. This time tomorrow we dash on the beach. The correct option is will be lying. This time tomorrow we will be lying on the beach. Question 11. By next year I dash my degree. The correct option is will have completed. By next year, I will have completed my degree. Question 12. By December, they dash in that house for 10 years. The correct option is will have been living. By December, they will have been living in that house for 10 years. Question 13. She dashed to the gym every weekend. The correct option is goes. She goes to the gym every weekend. Question 14. They dash playing football now. The correct option is are. They are playing football now. Question 15. He dash his lunch already. The correct option is has eaten. He has eaten his lunch already. Question 16. We dash for 2 hours before sunset. The correct option is had walked. We had walked for 2 hours before sunset. Question 17. You dashed the book yesterday. The correct option is read. You read the book yesterday. Question 18. They dash here next week. The correct option is will be. They will be here next week. Question 19. She dashed when I called her. The correct option is was sleeping. She was sleeping when I called her. Question 20. I dash in the city since 2010. The correct option is have lived. I have lived in this city since 2010. Question 21. He dash his homework by 8 p.m. The correct option is had finished. He had finished his homework by 8 p.m. Question 22. They dash on the project for months. The correct option is have been working. They have been working on the project for months. Question 23. The dog dashed loudly every night. The correct option is barks. The dog barks loudly every night. Question 24. She dashed her friends tomorrow evening. The correct option is will meet. She will meet her friends tomorrow evening. Question 25. We dashed dinner when the guests arrived. The correct option is were having. We were having dinner when the guests arrived. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.